Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are having the issue that your account cannot be created in this at this time, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general. Go for the VPN device management, select VPN, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect that. And after that you have to update your software, because sometimes it might be that you have any pending updates into your software base, so it might create an issue. So once you have updated your software, you have to go to screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And once you have disabled all the restrictions, you have to try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. So here you just have to enter your passcode, and then you have to select the reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. And once you have done, if there will be any issue into your network settings, it will fix in this step. Or if you are still having the same issue, now what you have to do, but it might be your issue will be fixed after this step. So you have to go for example, I'm going to create a new account from my apps, then contacts, then select contacts account, select add account, select iCloud from here. And here you have to select create a new account, and you will be able to create a new account. Or you can try to create new account from your Apple ID section. Or after that, if you are still having the same issue that your account cannot be created at this time, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You have to look for sport app in your iPhone, or you have to try to open your browser and look for sport.apple.com, or you can search for Apple Sport, and then search for the website, and you will get this website. Here you have to select your device. It might be your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device. Once you have selected, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get support. There's the get support option. You have to select start now from here, and here you just have to look for the option of more. Then you have to look for the option relating to your Apple account. It might be your App Store, your iTunes Store, or your iCloud, or anything else. But I'm going to select Apple App Store from here. Then select continue, and here you just have to select the option of get more help. Select call us, and you will get a contact number for official Apple support team. Now, whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number, and you will get contact with your Apple support team member, and you will have to discuss about your issue. You will get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if you have an issue to creating your Apple ID that your account cannot be created at this time. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.